for today's video, a huge thanks to 3 Strokes for making this video possible. They're the ones who sponsored this video. If you want to combine style and performance on the course, go and check 3 Strokes description down below where their website is. And as part of this collaboration, we're very excited to announce that on checkout, just type Luigi20 and you'll get 20% discount. Again, description down below. Thank you very much again for 3 Strokes, and like, comment, and subscribe if you like videos like this. Now, let's get back to the video. See you on the fairways. Shout out sa aking friend. Nagkita kami dito sa tournament. Hi Bernard, a fellow Shankers and Leave Golf.
Number 1, Luigi Mulyari.
Ito, nakikita na yung champion. Good luck, brother. Ingat, ingat. Good luck, brother. Ceremonial tee off for the full swing.
Second to do the ceremonial tee is Mr. Oscar Colmina Sr., member of Full Gospel Businessmen's Fellowship International Gateway Chapter.
Come on, guys! Join us, please!
Okay, for today's tournament, shout out to my caddy, Carlene. Mahal ko pa buhay ko, Carlene, ha? Ingat sa pag-drive. Shout. Ano number mo? 500. Okay, yan. So, siya ang aking caddy / videographer for this morning's tournament. So, galingan mo, ha? Okay. See you at the fairways. Start of the tournament. I'm playing hole number 10, 10A. Pero we're playing the blues, pero I think this is adjusted. Kasi the yardage here is, I think, for the Don Celso Cup. So we're playing 10A, playing with my new friend, si Brian. And so the format of this tournament is System 36. Tapos we are all playing the blue tees. Yan, so my playing partner today, si Brian. Say hi to the channel, brother. Ayan, tapos ang aking caddy, si Carlene. And, nahiya. Ang pangalan mo, kuya?
Brian din po.
Ano?
Brian.
Brian. Pares kayong Brian, magtukayo pa kayo. Okay, so par 5, slightly dog leg right.
Nice shot.
Second shot, I'm left with 145 yards. Spin is slightly front of the green. Ayaw nyo maniwala na 9 iron. No? Makikita natin kung tatamaan muna na maayos. Dyan sa likod ng kayo.
Nice shot. Ganda.
Right, so I'm putting for eagle. It's 8 paces. Tingnan namin ni Carlene. It's left to right. We're giving it half grip to the left. It's 8 paces, downhill, uphill. So, regular lang na 8 paces.
Stop.
Never short. Sobra naman. Diretso. 3 pot. But, sayang. That was putting eagle. I parred the first hole. Not used to the speeds. It's very quick compared to the last time I played here, and also the last golf course that I played. But at least it was a par. Hole number 11. It's a fun hole. It's playing 135 yards to the flag, and it's a fun hole for the tournament. So the price is Marriott, either in Bali or in Phuket. 4 days, 3 nights, up to 6 people. 2-bedroom villa. Wow. Okay, 135. I might be hitting a 50-degree wedge or a pitching wedge.
Nice shot.
Nice shot.
Unfortunately, pulled my tee shot. It's 30 yards to the flag. Left to right. Siguro outside of that line. Okay. Try to hit a nippy 60-degree wedge.
Par. Nice shot.
Pa rin talaga. To go up and down for a bogey, I think it's right to left uphill. Mabilis. That was a very unfortunate double bogey. So hole number 12, it's playing 135 yards to the flag. So I'm currently 2 over. Fun hole again. So hole number 12. The sponsor is the prize is a Hero massage chair.
Yun. Shot.
Ganda.
Safe.
Still pulling my shots. It's 18 yards landed left of the green. 18 yards to the flag. Left to right, uphill. I will just try to bump and run a pitching wedge.
Stop.
I have this side hill putt. Malaking right to left. For par to go up and down. Malaki to sa kanan, ano?
Opo, malaki. Baba.
Another bogey. I'm currently 3 over, parang I bogeyed every hole. So now, playing hole number 13, 475 yards, which is the par 5. Subukan ko lang ngayon. Tingnan natin kung it will naturally fade yung golf ball. So I'll try to aim here. Hopefully it goes back to the fairway. We'll see. I am left with 150 yards to the flag, pero against the wind, so I'm hitting an 8 iron. Hopefully I can get it up na hindi sumabit siya sa puno, pero I think hindi naman siya factor.
Go. Nice shot.
My 8 iron went over right. Dito tayo nag-carry sa may pin na. Diyan bumagsak ako. Okay, 20 yards to the flag. Right to left.
Nice shot. Nice out. Stop. Stop.
Okay, this is to go up and down for a par. Grabe, I'm not used to the speeds of valley na ganito kabilis. Okay, left to right.
Go. Nice.
Okay, to go up and down for bogey. I think it's left inside. Firm. Paakyat. Okay, hole number 14. 288 yards. I think this is a fun hole. Most accurate.
Nice shot. Ang ganda. Wow.
Okay, 40 yards to the flag. I'm hitting a 60-degree wedge. Tirang 30.
Okay.
I have this 12 paste birdie putt. Ang bilis ng greens ngayon talaga sa valley. Hindi ako makapag-adjust. I think it's left to right for my birdie.
Shadow mo.
Finally, stop the bleeding. I'm currently 5 over. Hole 15. playing 135 yards to the flag. Pero against 125, pero it's against the wind. So I'm hitting a pitching wedge.
Nice shot. Throw. Wow, over.
Okay, landed over the green. Akala namin malakas yung wind. It's right to left, downhill. Mukhang mabilis talaga to. I'm giving it almost half a putter. Right to left, downhill.
Kanan.
Okay, firm na ano. It's 5 paces. I think it's double break. Left to right in front. Before the golf hole, it's right to left. So I'm giving this firm putt straight to the pin.
Ay.
Hole number 16, par 5, dog leg left, playing 389 yards. Okay, currently 6 over.
Uy.
Nice shot.
To take my medicine, tumama sa puno, buti na safe. Magaling magdasal si Carlin. Okay, tirang mga 100.
Ayun, nice shot.
I'm left with 140 yards to the flag. Wind is with the wind. Okay, downwind. So I know short tong 50 degrees, pero you can't go over this green na alala ko eh. So better to play short. So I'm just hitting a 50-degree wedge. Hopefully this would be good course management.
Go.
Sayang, hit my third shot behind. So I am left with 30 yards to the flag, right to left uphill, hitting a 60-degree wedge. Very challenging par putt. It's side hill tapos super fast. It's 4 paces, so I need to give it a firm putt para umabot. Ang laki naman ng butas, yun na lang i-aim ko to bogey, to putt bogey. Okay.
Uy! Grabe ka naman. Hindi naman makatarungan to.
Okay, hole number 17, another bogey, 382 yards, dog leg right, smart course management lang, okay, using a, I'm not yet sure which iron.
Uy.
Nice shot.
Nice out.
To go up and down for a par, 195 yards to the flag, hitting a full 60-degree wedge.
Nice shot. Ganda. Bite. Nagbite.
Okay, have this par putt, 11 paces, right to left. It looks like, hindi kayo mabilis, Brian, no? Against the grass? Mabagal, no? Okay, 11 paces, right to left. I'm giving it 1 grip sa right. Another bogey. Course management didn't work. I pulled my 6 iron. At least up and down for bogey.
Nice shot. And bumalik.
Left with 77 yards. Biglang naging against the wind. So I'm hitting a 6 iron we'll go for it. Tapang nga tao, Carlin. Carlin. Tapang nga tao.
Tapang nga tao.
I'm left with 70 yards. Very good top ball. Hitting a 60-degree wedge. Left to right, ano?
Sister.
70. Tirang 60.
Go.
Okay. This is for par. Super slow green. Left to right. Okay, sa may linya na lang ng white. Hole number 1, laying up again, 7 iron.
Nice shot. Go. Nice. Nice shot.
19 yards to the flag, just landed right of the green. Sides hill, dun sa mga dahon. Mabilis.
Ayun, ang ganda oh. Inside.
That was a good par. Yay! Masaya siya! Okay, par. Just laying up right before the water is 170 yards. So laying up with an 8 iron. I think, alam ko na yung mali ko bakit ko nakakabig.
Uy. Nice shot. Safe.
Okay, left with 111 yards to the flag. Medyo delix nga ang puno, pero sana hindi na lang umabot. Hindi sumabit. Bukan na lang padro.
Wow. Nice shot. Wow. Over the tree.
Okay, Carlin, for birdie natin. Right to left. Downhill, no?
Downhill, sir.
Uphill, tas down doon.
Opo.
So kailangan natin dalhin ng mga 5 lalaylay. Right to left. Halos one putter, no?
Nice par.
Okay, hole number 3, at least back-to-back pars na. Okay, hole number 3, playing 169 yards. Sorry, 192. Pero this might be closer. Yeah, this is closer, I think. It is 169. Okay, barilin natin. Meron ng closest to the pin. Almost inside. Dikit na dikit. Galing. Okay. Overdrew. Pero ako pitching please. Overdrew my tee shot. Landed left of the green. 20 yards to the flag. Super fast. So I'm aiming here. Try to bump and run.
Ayun, ang ganda oh.
Nagkatamaan pa.
Uy!
Uy, bumulusok oh.
Grabe.
Bumulusok paghati dun oh. Bumaba pa. Okay, 9 paces uphill. I'm giving this right to left. Target is that give me circle sa right.
Nice.
Okay, hole number 4, first bogey of the second 9. To just before the water, it's 180 yards, pero it's against the wind. So hitting a 7 iron.
Nice shot.
I'm left with 100 40 yards to the flag. Slightly downwind. Slightly against the wind, hitting a pitching wedge.
Nice shot. Ang ganda nun. Oy.
Okay. Mabilis. Pero downhill ano? Mabilis. O regular lang? Mabilis sa regular? Okay. 4 paces. Come on Luigi for birdie. Right edge. Mabilis pa rin to. Okay. Ay, nako Luigi. Sayang. Pero, sayang yung birdie putt. Lapit na 4 paces. Pero it's really fast. Tapos kinain ng damo. So, hole number 5. 521 yards. Hitting a driver. Dog leg left.
Yun, safe.
Need to take my medicine and punch out. Subukan ko i-punch draw from here. Walang. Wala na.
Mala na si Batman. Stop. Out. Nice.
This is the bahala na hole. 240 yards. The green, the pin is behind those trees here. Ito, nandyan. So I'll try to start the ball here. Tapos draw sa pakaliwa. It's 240 pa. Bahala na.
Mala si Batman.
Bahala na si Batman. Baba.
Nice shot.
50 yards to the flag. Left to right. Okay, hitting a 60-degree wedge. Downwind.
Nice shot. Ang ganda. Top.
Okay. Batting for up and down for bogey. Right to left. 8 paces. Tirang mga 6. Kulang pa rin. Okay, hole number 6. Playing 150 yards. Slightly downwind. Hole-in-one prize, and also this is a fun hole from my sponsor, 3 Strokes. If you're looking for comfortable and active wear on the golf course, just check their website, link down below.
Nice shot. Pulin mo na. Ay! Ganda.
Birdie putt. Pero hindi namin alam kung saan pupunta yung bola. Kahit ako nalilito pero mukhang left to right. I'm giving it 1 cup left to right. Kung 8 minus 2, mabilis. No part.
Okay. Ikaw, you're the boss.
Tingin mo mga minus 2 lang sa speed.
Opo, pwede.
Okay. Malakas Luigi. Lagpas na naman. Nasakto lang pala. Okay na. Kala ko. Okay. Hole number 16 to, no? Parang ganun. 16, 17. Last ilan holes na ba tayo? 7. 7, 8, 9. Oh, 16. Okay. Dog leg left. Ayan. Try to draw the golf ball.
Nice shot. Ang ganda. Wow. Nasa 100 na.
The best chance, if ever, for an eagle. I'm left with 70 yards on a par 5 for my second shot. A little left to right when the wind. Alam ko mabagal yung paakyat na to eh. Pero mabilis na paglagpas sa flag. Tirang 60. 55 to 60 yards. Ganda yan.
Nice shot.
Ganda yan. Ay, mahina pa.
Oh, yun no?
Baka ma-birdie na natin yan. Huwag naman. Okay. For eagle, ang layo pa pala, 10 paces. We're aiming for that. Hindi pala kita sa video. Pero it's still uphill. So firm lang, 10 paces. So tirang 11 na firm.
Ay! Birdie.
Yes, finally made a birdie. I think I'm currently 11 over. Tapos congratulations, we just got word na the flight in front of us finally made the hole in one. Here's a hole number 8. Hole number 8 is playing 135 yards. Sayang, sana ito pa sana, pero hindi. This is for a different tournament. The flight in front of us, or the flight in front of the flight in front of us, just won this one, yung fun hole. 100,000 worth of K&G products. Ang dami, 100,000. Ang dami niyang makukuha. Wow, congratulations. Yan, so playing 135 yards with the wind pala.
Ayun, ganda. Nice shot. Wow!
Ganda, yan ang maganda rin. May chance yan, brother. May chance yan. Ay! Ay! Sayang! Ay, grabe! Nice shot, Bray! Sayang! Grabe! Muntik na makahulin man si Brian. Grabe kalapit. Oh! Sayang! Umatras, muntik na! Hindi pa binigay. Hindi. Sayang yun sa'yo. Muntik na sana makahulin man si Brian. 8 months pa lang naglalaro. Sayang, oh. Pareho silang Brian eh. May balato sana yung Brian na isa. Magsasawa ka sa K&G na damit. Oo, mauumay ka. Sayang. Wala, yung caddy ko kasi hindi marunong magdasal eh. Kulang eh. Ayaw mo ba ng K&G? Sayang. Ang ganda nung sa kanya. Hindi pa na ako nakuha. Tumama na sa likod eh. Nag-backspin eh. Tumalbog. Malakas lang ng konti yung talbog. Sayang. Pangalawang hole naman sana sa channel.
Uy, pangalawa?
Oo. Wala mo kung sino yung una.
Ikaw?
Siyempre. Ipagyayabang ko ba kung hindi? Sa mismong butas na nag-carry. Bro, hindi ka pa nag-hole na 3 points? Sa butas ka pala halos nag-carry.
Ayun o, sa ano lang.
Ang layo pala ng tinalbog.
Layo siya, patras yung balik.
Ang laki ng tinalbog, sayang oh.
Pero kung kumapit yun, automatic.
Automatic, 2 pantalon sa'yo, 2 t-shirt. Kung na-shoot mo sayang, sana kahit bra lang kay bra lang kay Carlino, okay na. Ayan oh. Sayang.
Kung kumagat lang,
Mukhang 3 points sana bro, kung medyo kaliwa lang ng konti oh.
Carry no, no?
Parang ang caddy ko lagi sinasabi, ganda sir sana kaso pangit. Hindi ikaw yung caddy ko sa Navy. Sayang brother, good shot. Malapit na yan. Binibigay mong allowance, parang firm. Halos kalahating grip nga gusto ko ibigay. Okay, bahala na. Mga ganito.
Oh, bigyan mo. Yung quart.
Okay, for birdie. To go back to back 4 paces. Paakyat ba tayo? Paakyat baba.
Akyat baba po.
Ang laki ng bigay ko. Tama ka mga dito lang.
Ay ko sa'yo sir eh.
Okay, last hole. Hole number 9. 469 yards. Dog leg left. Ayan. Bahala na. Atapang atao. Atapang atao. Saan?
safe.
Nice shot.
200 yards to the flag. Slightly downwind, pero it's also uphill. So hitting a 5 iron.
Uy!
Left with 120 yards. Hitting a 50-degree wedge.
Nice shot. Ang ganda. Wow, overpin lang.
to go up and down for a bogey. 1 putter sa right, 8 paces. 5 lang.
Ay, go mo! Nasobrahan.
Pero grabe bilis pa rin, no? Halos dinampian ko lang.
Parang drop ano lang.
Thank you, Carlin! Natapos din kami. Kung makapis naman to, halata ko ano yung score natin. Oo, natapos din yung ano, nakaraos din. Natapos tayo 13 over yata, 85. What a bad game. What a bad round. Maraming salamat, Bray.
Thank you po. Nice game po.
Kaya pa, ano muna natin? Magano? Bray, thank you, brother. Thank you. Nice meeting you. Art, nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. Thank you. Bal, maraming salamat. Nice shot.